So, hello world, welcome to my new video. You see, I came here about an hour ago and I have been mostly just walking around, looking at everything, and I'm realizing that it will be much more work than I expected. So this week we have just the engine. We need to just do some last little tweaks and the engine will be completely done. And the first thing that we need to do is drain the oil from the transmission, because I forgot to do it when it was in one piece. So I have to kind of put it on bricks or something. I don't know, I will figure something out. But I gotta say, it's pretty warm outside today. I wonder what this is. Where is it from? Because it's not from these, and both of them have this part fine. And I broke like 5 of these. Oh no, 5, maybe 3 of these in the past, but these ones, they are actually proper, you know, like they are good. The cylinder head is a bit dirty. She was running a little bit rich in my opinion, but my intake setup wasn't good this year, so we'll be making the intake different, and then I will be able to tune it properly. And also it's been like leaking around here, so we will have to do something about that to either get a head gasket or grind it down. But it's in a better condition than I expected. That is good. And this is the clutch side, and it isn't like as dirty as I expected it to be. So that's good. I think I have a good engine. I'm gonna keep this old gasket because it has some valuable information for me at this moment. And so the cases are split and everything is out, and now I'm gonna show you what we will be doing on this engine. Okay, so with these channels, the air and fuel mixture is getting into the cylinder, and then yes. And so as you can see here, you can really see it, it's a bit dark, but the port in the engine case is a little bit smaller than the one in the cylinder. You can see right here. So we will be port matching this, just so that the ports are the same. And this is the gasket that was under the cylinder. I don't know if it will focus right now. Yes, but here you see the part where the cylinder doesn't touch the cases. So this is the part that we have to grind out. So I will carefully somehow mark it. Will be part matching basically. And so I just need to do this and all the bearings and the seals for one last time. And with this, my bottom end will be final. I won't be taking it out anymore. I also have new this part of the transmission. This one still works, but I'm going to buy a new one anyways. Just to be sure, I want the bottom end to be 100%. So yeah, and yeah, and the new ignition, and that's it for my engine. Yeah, that's good. Oh, and this is my exhaust seal or gasket, and I guess I know why there was an exhaust leak. Like, it seems that it's okay, but it isn't, you know? So that part must have gone missing, and there is also a hole in here. So yeah, this always just turn to rock solid and then crack, and then this happens. Okay, I got to wash these bearings and put them in the freezer. I have marked these parts that I need to grind out. I wanted to mark it with red because red is faster, but I had only green marker, so I hope it will work the same. It's almost like a quarter of the channel or even more. Like, I think it will do a lot. So here is the before and the after. So it will make a difference. It will definitely make a difference. And as you can see, there is a bit of marker here still left, but I'm not building this engine for racing. I just want my bike to be better, so I don't need to worry about every little bit. There is still a little bit notch in here, but I don't think I'm going to cut it anymore because there is just so little space in here, or at least I think so. I had to even take a break because I thought I'm doing it wrong, but in the end I wasn't. It was just my brain making fun of me or something. Okay, look at that. I mean, I think it's good. I think it's good. They are even pretty symmetrical. And yes, you may notice that this is a bit of a different shape than this is. This is more like a straight here, but that is because that's how the cylinder is. If I line it up in here, you can see that it's perfectly cut around the gasket, and the gasket is cut perfectly around the cylinder. So yeah, I placed it. Okay, so it's Friday. I had a really shitty day today, but in the end I gathered all the bits of hope that I had and managed to get in here. So I will show you what's going on. So here we have the engine cases, and today we'll be changing these three bearings, not this big one because I don't have that one, but it's new, so it doesn't really matter. So we'll be changing these bearings, and then we'll be putting new seals and everything, and we'll be completing the engine today. So that's what we will be doing. I also fixed this issue that I had with the drain bolt, making the engine like all covered in oil. There will be a hose connected to this and going to somewhere else, so it drops somewhere not on my bike. So let's start with taking these bearings out, then continue with putting the new ones in, and then just put it together again for the last time, I hope. Okay, and so like this my bottom end is done. This part of the engine won't be touched anymore unless in a few years I decide to rebuild the engine, but this is officially done. There is nothing more to fix here. So right now I'm missing an ignition because I'm buying a new one and I didn't buy it yet, so that is not here. And we need to put in the clutch, and we need to put back in the top end. Okay, so this is the clutch, and unless I want to put stronger springs in there, I won't be taking it apart anymore too. And so this top end will probably have to come apart one more time this winter, because the cylinder head doesn't seal on the cylinder properly, so it's blowing out from down, I think. And it's also still dirty, so I will first try to find a new cylinder head, and if I can't find it, I will think of something to do with this. I have an idea, but we will see. So here you can see the missing ignition, and here is the front sprocket. We'll be playing around with this once it's all finished. Once the engine is tuned, this is the last thing that we will be basically tuning. I have one for more speed, I have one for more power, so we will see. That will just have to be tuned in the end. And so that is all for my engine. That is all for this video also. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment them down below. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time. This idiot is just sitting here waiting what wrong he can do next. Because and also, you know what? Today I was like shopping for all this. These bleeder valves, okay? I caught it like when I was in the store. This hole was missing, okay? Like there was no hole, so it was basically just the screw at that point. Next, I ordered electric air pump for car tires. You plug it into your car and it puts air in your tire. Because I I had enough fun with this pump. Guess what? It came in today and it didn't work. Like it's broken from the factory. Next, these are these, okay? I didn't notice it at the store, but look, this one, it's bent from factory. You see, like when I move it, like, see this? See this? I mean, like really, like, do I have to check every single detail on everything that I buy? Like, this is just terrible, you know, like what are they doing in these factories? Like, this is just terrible. Okay.